smooth yours out. Hold it at an angle, push it up against there hard, and okay, so here's the mud kitchen. It's not 100% done yet. I've got some little decorative hooks, and there's a mirror that we can put right there in the middle. And the girls picked out some decorative things to kind of accent everything. Some little hooks and little knobs and stuff. So just need to drill holes and add those things, but this is pretty much how it turned out, and I'm pretty happy with it. You know, just for a weekend project, and they got to watch the process. And yeah, there's some things I do different, but overall I'm pretty happy with it, and they have a blast. And then I can't take credit for, you know, all the little, my wife kind of outfits it with a bunch of stuff, and there's this like powder stuff that you can make this colored water with, and the girls love that. So overall it's serving the purpose, it's doing the job. It's 4 feet long from end to end, and I don't think I quite did 2 feet to the height of the counter. I think maybe it's more like 18 inches to the top, something like that. But yeah. And then we've got bowls here, and I just bought a set of these off Amazon, a 2-pack, and traced them, cut them out with a jigsaw. So very basic, very simple little design and build, but I like the stain, how that came out. And really I kind of made it up as I went along. I was gonna, you know, make really specific plans and like a blueprint to do it. And then as I got into the process, I just didn't spend that much time. So it was kind of like figure it out as you go along. But yeah, it's very simple. You could build one probably even simpler than this. But if you're just looking for a easy project, a quick project, and maybe get the kids involved, I think this is a pretty good one.